Hello honeybees, welcome to a special tutorial on how to create Amazon wish lists and make them public. First, you're going to want to be logged in and go to the menu that says hello and your name, where you should see an item that says create a list. It will automatically prompt you to name your new list. I'm naming mine Sunflowers Creative Showcase and Crochet after the channel, because I will only be putting things on it that I want to review or show on my channel. I'm going to hover over this Learn More link so that you can see this explanation here. Pause if you'd like to read it. And then I'm going to click Create List. Now my list has been created. And what I'm going to do is look at my privacy settings, and as you can see, my list is private. So I want to fix that by clicking these three dots here and clicking Manage List. And there you can see you can name it and rename it. You can change its privacy to public or shared. You can set up Alexa so that you can add things if you so desire. I don't use Alexa, so I don't know about those things. So I am clicking don't manage this list through Alexa. I don't want to deal with it. And this list is for me, not an organization. And though my public facing name on my private channel is Ashley Vincent, I want to receive mail for Sunflower the Fiber Fairy. I think it would be fun. So I'm changing the recipient to Sunflower the Fiber Fairy. I'm going to put my email in the email address field, and that's Sunflower Creative Showcase at gmail.com. And then it's going to ask you for the recipient's birthday, but I believe that's optional. I don't think you have to put a birthday in. But I'm entering April 16th as that is my birthday. And then we're going to write a little description about this wish list and why it was created. So I want it to say, Sunflower is a YouTube content creator with a channel focused on crochet, crafting, and creativity. She also creates short tutorials to share her knowledge and skill with creative tools and harder to use website to improve the knowledge set of the entire crochet community. Items requested on this list are for review and educational content on the channel. No matter how small, is wholeheartedly appreciated. Have a blessed day, and thank you for visiting my wish list. Now save, and there your wish list is with the little description you wrote about it. Now let's add something to the wish list. How about some crochet hooks? So I'm browsing through the crochet hooks to see what's new and if there's anything that I don't have that I would like. I do not have these larger prim hooks, so I'm adding them to my new list. For privacy reasons, I have covered the list, but when you click this drop-down menu, it will show you all of your wish lists. And there you have it. I have added an item to my list, and now I'm going to look at it again, and there it is in my list. This is how you send your link to others. Click the Send List to Others link, and you want to invite someone to view only, and you want to copy the link. If you hit invite by email, it's going to open Outlook or whatever you have set to your default email program. So I really recommend just copying the link and pasting it into whatever you're going to set. Now I'm opening a new tab and I'm going to paste my Amazon wishlist URL and go. And look, there it is, just as if anybody else had entered the URL and visited it. And that's the link you want to paste into your user profile or your video description, DMs, tweets. You can program Nightbot to send out a link to your Amazon wishlist in the chat. There's so much you can do with just that URL now that you have it and you know how to copy and paste and use it. So now I'm going to write a description or a comment for these prim hooks that just says there's something that I'd like to review and it's for my channel, and I'm going to set it to a priority of low because nothing on this list is going to be urgent or hair on fire necessary. They're just things that I would like to have someday to review and touch and hold for myself. So another item that I want to add to this list is a tulip Edimo crochet hook, because I have never had a tulip brand hook and I don't know what they're like. So I'm going to add it to my list, and there it is in my list right alongside the prims. And let's add a comment for this one as well. I've never crocheted with a tulip Edimo hook. And I would like to do a video review of them on my channel. I'm going to set the priority to low. I have 0, I need 1, and I hit save. Now let's say you have something in a list and you want to move it to a different list. You're going to go to the list it's in and find the button that says move. I have mine hidden because, again, I don't want to share all of my wish lists with you. But if you hit the move button, you will be able to see all of your wish lists and move that item to exactly where you want it to go. And I'm just going to add a quick comment to this book saying that it might be chosen as a book for Kim of Affordably Crafty's monthly book club. I'll set my priority to low. And I only need 1. I don't have any, and I'll save. So now I have 3 things in my wish list for Sunflower's Creative Showcase and Crochet. And you can click that invite button, you can click the share symbol, you can click send list to others. All of those things will bring up the same prompt for you to copy the link and paste it wherever you desire to share it. Just as a note, because I did not mention it earlier, when you manage your list and you go to recipient, the name in that recipient box is what you will see on your packages and it is what will show to anyone trying to send you gifts from your wish list. So be safe and mindful of your privacy, and never put a full name that you otherwise would keep private, or any information in these boxes that you do not want shown to people who are sending you gifts. Also, apologies for the scattered nature of this video, but I did forget to mention that you also set the recipient's physical address from this dialogue, and it is never shown to the person giving the gift. Your physical address always remains private on Amazon. So be safe, have fun sharing and gifting each other's wish lists, and have a wonderful day, honeybee. Thank you for joining me on Sunflower's Creative Showcase and Crochet for this brief tutorial on how to create and share a public Amazon wish list. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more of this content, and have a wonderful day, honeybee.